Book 1. Page 88, 88. So I'll just go through this part very briefly and then we will sing. This is from the book Prem Ras Madira. As we all know, written by Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. And this part is from Prakrina Madhuri. This part describes that Shri Krishna is Supreme Brahm, Supreme Power. Krishno Havai Paramam Daivatam. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. The Vedas say that Shri Krishna is Supreme Brahm, Supreme Power. There was no one above him. He controls everyone and everything. Param Swatantana Sirabalako. No one, nothing controls Shri Krishna, the scripture says. And yet, there is something that controls him. Bhagwan Krishna says in Bhagavad Mahapuran to Durvasa Muni, Aham bhakta paradhino hyaswatantra ivadvija sadhubhirgrasta hridayo bhaktair bhakta janapriya. 9th canto, 4th chapter, 63rd verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. Durvasa Muni had tried to hurt a devotee of Shri Krishna, Ambarish. And Shri Krishna sent Sudarshan Chakra, his weapon, after Durvasa Muni. He went to all the three worlds, Brahma, Shiva, everyone begging for protection. No one would give protection. Finally, he was advised to go to Shri Krishna. So he fell at the feet of Shri Krishna, Pahimam, Pahimam, Trahimam, please protect me, protect me. Shri Krishna said, boy, I can't do anything for you. I am unable to. Durvasa said, Hey Krishna, you are Paramasvatantra, you totally independent, totally free, no one and nothing controls, you control everything. The scripture says that, but there is something that controls me. Aham bhakta paradhina. I am controlled by the love of those who love me. Prem, pyar. One thing controls Shri Krishna. He says, I am no longer free. That love of those who love me selflessly, it binds me, ties me up. The rope of love, they bind me with that and makes me dance as a monkey dances to the tune of the trainer. My devotees have eaten my heart. They have full control over me. Grastra Hridayam. So this is given an idea, this beautiful pad, divine poem written by Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripalu Mahaprabhu, that Shri Krishna is tied and binded by that rope of divine love. Nahi jaat samadhin yogin jehi nachat ta thei. Brajanarin kitar prem ke bandhan mein. He who refuses to go in the samadhi, the yogis, having attained self-realization, they go in samadhi, searching for Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna refuses to go. And yet, illiterate cowhood women, they're called gopis in Vrindavan, illiterate, never went to school, anything. Because of their love for him, they made him dance. They're clapping, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai. For a little bit of chach, buttermilk, makhan, butter, he's dancing to the clapping of these gopis, these literate cowhood women. Nita khojat bed chayin jehi, bani yashumati ke sut kaan tehi. The Vedas, the verses of the Vedas, they are searching for Sri Krishna. When asked who is Sri Krishna, they say he is not this, he is not that. What he is, we don't know. That same Supreme Brahm has become, he is the father of the entire universe, Jagat Pita. Yet he has become the son of Yashoda. He who is supreme father of the entire universe becomes somebody's son. And because of Yashoda's love for him, she has tied him to the mortar. Vande Ukhal. She has tied the Supreme Brahm. And he is begging for his mukti. He who gives mukti just by chanting the name of Sri Krishna, one attains liberation. He is begging for mukti, for someone to come and release him. Brahmand anantahi pal jehi, chorat mukh kaurahi gwal tehi. So Sri Krishna, he feeds and sustains the entire universe. One form of Sri Krishna is known as Vishnu, Palanahar. He sustains and feeds the entire universe. And what is he doing when he came to Vrindavan? Illiterate cowhood boys, when they have sat down to eat and they've all taken out their food and they're chewing the food in their mouth, he takes his hands and pushes it inside their mouth and takes it out. The jutha, what they're chewing, and he eats it. With great relish. Oh, so tasty, yummy. Brahma saw this. He got so confused, he tested. He wanted to know if this is God or some little boy. And we know what happened to Brahma. Those cowherd boys, they have made him a ghora, horse. Sometime while playing games, Sri Krishna is playing with his friends and there's some competition and the loser has to become a ghora, horse. He is called Ajit, one who cannot be defeated. Impossible. He deliberately loses. And so he is to become ghora and every boy takes turn riding him. Because of their love. Ag jag sab jag sanghar kajai darpat yashumati ke saat inate. He who just by thought absorbs the entire universe into himself, eats the entire universe, everything, movable as well as unmovable. At the time of Mahapralaya, Sri Krishna absorbs the entire universe, uncountable solar systems into himself. Even death is afraid of him. Bhaya dasyagastapati bhaya tapati suraya. An old lady, when Yashoda Maiya had him as a son, she was pretty advanced in age. And so everyone is complaining about him. And Balram has complained also, he's eaten dirt. So Yashoda Maiya is questioning. And Kanhaiya says, Maiya, they're all lying. He gives a lot of excuses. Then he finally says, Maiya, if I have eaten dirt, it should be in my mouth, with great confidence. That Maiya will say, okay, he's saying with such confidence, so he hasn't eaten. Maiya says, okay, let me see. And there is dirt in the mouth, because he has eaten dirt. He's lying because he's scared. And Maiya has a little piece of stick. Satin, a little piece of stick. Just to scare him, she's not actually going to hit him. That he should stop this bad habit. And he's crying. Now he's thinking, Maiya has seen the dirt. I'm surely going to get beaten. Pasina, pasina. He's perspiring. Crying, real tears. So scared he is. Dhani Leela Kripalu Sarkar Prem Ke Bandhan. All because of Yashoda's love. So Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying in the last line here, Dhani Leela. Great. All glory to these sweet divine pastimes of Sri Krishna, his Leela. That he is controlled by the love of his devotees. That he is to come in this world and perform so many acts just like us. So this beautiful part describes what happens to Sri Krishna because of those who love him. Albelo hamaro yaar prem ke bandhan mein albelo ओ अलबेलो हमारो यार प्रेम के बंधन में अलबेलो हमारो यार प्रेम के बंधन में नहीं जात समाधिन योगिन जय नाचत ता थे थई ते नाचत ता थे ओ ब्रज नारिन राधे ब्रज नारिन की तार प्रेम के बंधन में ब्रज नारिन की तार ब्रज नारिन की तार प्रेम के बंधन में ब्रज नारिन की तार प्रेम के बंधन में ओ प्रेम के बंधन में प्रेम के बंधन में ओ अलबेलो राधे अलबेलो हमारो यार प्रेम के बंधन में 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 नित खोजत वेद रिचान जेई
नित खोजत वेद रिचान जेई
बनी यशुमती के सुत कान्ह तेई
बनी यशुमती के सुत कान्ह तेई
ओ बंधे उखल
राधे
बंधे उखल में लेहु निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
बंधे उखल मेरे निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ बंधे उखल में लेहु निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
बंधे उखल मेरे निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ प्रेम के बंधन में
प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ प्रेम के बंधन में
प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ अलबेलो
राधे
अलबेलो हमारो यार प्रेम के बंधन में
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 ब्रह्मांड अनंत ही पाल जेई
ब्रह्मांड अनंत ही पाल जेई छोरत मुख कौरही ग्वाल तेई छोरत मुख कौरही ग्वाल तेई
ओ बने घोरा
राधे
बने घोरा ग्वारन ग्वार प्रेम के बंधन में
बने घोड़ा गवारन ग्वार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ बने घोरा गवारन ग्वार प्रेम के बंधन में
बने घोड़ा गवारन ग्वार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ बंधे उकल में लेहु निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
बंधे उखल मेले निहार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ ब्रज नारिन की तार प्रेम के बंधन में
ब्रज नारिन की तार प्रेम के बंधन में
ओ प्रेम के बंधन में ओ
प्रेम
प्रेम
के बंधन में
ओ अलबेलो
राधे
अलबेलो हमारो यार प्रेम के बंधन में
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 आग जग सब जग संहारक जय
अग जग सब जग संहारक जय
डरपत यशुमती की साटिन ते
डरपत यशोमती की साटिन ते
ओ धनी लीला
राधे
धनी लीला लीला कृपालु सरकार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
धनी लीला कृपालु सरकार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ धनी लीला कृपालु सरकार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
धनी लीला कृपालु सरकार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ बने घोड़ा ग्वारन ग्वार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
बने घोड़ा गवारन ग्वार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ बंध उठल लेहु निहार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
बंधे उखर में लेहु निहार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ ब्रज नारिन की तार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ब्रज नारिन की तार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ प्रेम के बंधन में। ओ
प्रेम के बंधन में।
ओ अलबेलो
राधे
अलबेलो हमारो यार, प्रेम के बंधन में।
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 बोले अलबेलो सरकार की
जय।